Hey guys, Gavin Peacock here. Let's take a look at this footage. Some beautiful girls going down a water slide, but what is that drop on the lens ruining everything? In honor of Yacht Week, beautiful scenery here. Oh, what is that thing up top? There's Rose, but she's covered with the blur drop. Kate's going crazy, but there's blur on the lens. This needs to be fixed. This is a crisis. I've talked about it before in my editing tips. Water on the lens is a killer of GoPro clips. Enough of me rambling. Let's get on with the main review. Hey, what's going on, guys? Gavin Peacock here. We are in Haliburton County, Ontario. I was sent from Chris, the founder of XCLEAR Hydrophobic lenses. We're gonna do a quick video with the brand new hydrophobic protector on the GoPro, but I have the old one on now, and I'm also gonna take it completely off. So we'll do a kind of before, middle, and after with the brand new lens. We have Tucker the Bomb Squad dock jumping Brown Lab here. We have Bruce over there. We're gonna get them to do some cannonballs in the water. I'll hold the GoPro up, splash the lens, and we're gonna see what actual effect the new lens protectors have. If you just saw the last Yosemite video I put up, we hiked the mist trail, Kara and I. And that waterfall mist was pounding us. And you saw me having to do the old lick technique to clear the lens, give it a little saliva to help wick. So hopefully this new lens won't do that. That's basically it. Let's just go get wet and see what happens. Here we go. Okay guys, it's the old hydrophobic protector. It's been used for about a year, so I suspect it's worn out. Me and Lucas, we're in the water. We're gonna get a bomb drop from Tucker in a sec, so let's see what happens here. Actually, I see one little drop and that's it. Very good.
Yep.
Pretty clear.
The solution's clear. Woo.
Yeah. Okay guys, it's the GoPro Hero 7 Black with no hydrophobic protector on the lens. Oh, looks pretty warpy with water. Drying up, it's drying up. All right, we need a towel.
Woo, great cannonball.
Oh, we got a lot of water on the lens this time. I can see it. Okay, the hair's dry because we were up there swapping out the lenses. This is the new XCLEAR Hydrophobic Lens Gorilla Glass. Just reacts like Teflon. If you get water drops, they just roll right off. Woo! Look at that. No wipes, no licks, no drops at all. So I'd say that's doing pretty darn good. All right. Review over. Beautiful. Yeah, we're getting no drops at all. Beautiful.